Alright, welcome to episode 191 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a nice warm-up and a great challenge for hammer-ons. Very simple, just playing four notes in a row on each string. And just pick the first one and go up like this. And try to do it all together from one string to the next like this. And then go back down again, and this is the real challenge, just pulling off. And try to have each note have the same volume as the next. It's a real challenge, especially on those pull-offs. But try to have each note really ring out. And warm up before you do this, or use this as a warm-up, maybe by picking each note first. Get your hand accustomed to that before trying the hammer-on. And the pull-off. Alright, hope it's useful to you, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.